If your Dyson V7 is playing up and it's not working like it used to, it may need its battery replacing. To replace the battery, we need to undo 3 screws. 1 here and 2 at the bottom here and here. So once you get your replacement battery, you need to lift this up here to stop it accidentally turning on, and we need to get a crosshead screwdriver and undo the 3 screws. This particular screw here has a washer on, the 2 at the bottom do not have any washers. And then all we're going to do is nice and gently slide that out there. If you're worried that your new battery doesn't have a serial number, don't worry, because your machine has a sticker here with the serial number on it. So we need to place the battery back in there like so and clip it into place, and then we just need to do up the 3 screws again in the same locations. Now we can close the lid, close the bottom bit, and then we can plug it in and charge it for 3.5 hours for the Dyson V7 or 5 hours for the Dyson V8. Don't forget to recycle your old battery. Thanks for watching.